Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima and you're trying to find where the fuse guys for the rear window defroster, also known as rear window defogger, is located. Stay with us, we're going to cover that today. Before we start, okay, let me tell you, it's super important to test your fuses, even if you're replacing it with a new fuse, and we're going to explain why. Make sure you stay until the end. These guys should work on Kia Optima guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here, check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So if you come right here guys, okay, you can see we're right now in under the engine hood. This is the engine, this is the fuse box that we need. Okay, right here, super important guys, that fuse box, you have one tab here, one there. We need to open that and go straight up. Okay, you can see just like that. On the back side you can see the fuses printed, but what we actually did guys, we printed it and zoomed it a little bit so we can show you with a great detail. The first fuse guys that you need to actually check, it's pretty simple. It's known as deicer fuse, 20 amp fuse. So if you come right here, okay, it will be the second fuse from left to right, 1, 2. So this fuse is the deicer fuse that you need to check. Super important fuse guys, that's for the deicer. Then you have one more fuse guys, and the other one is known as RRHTDIND. So this fuse, okay, right here, it's a 10 amp fuse, okay, right here. And if you need to replace those fuses guys, okay, get the fuse puller, get on top of the fuse. This is the second fuse here, grab it and pull it out, and here you go guys. Now, super important to test these fuses. Never assume they're good guys. Even if you're replacing it with a new one, test the new ones, because if you put a bad fuse, you're going to spend so much time and money to fix your Kia Optima when all you had to do test the fuse, find out it's bad, replace it. We'll put a special link to a video guys that explains how to test the fuse in just a few seconds in the description of the video below, so please check it out guys for your convenience. It takes only a few seconds to test your fuses. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.